Alright, so welcome aboard, guys. My name's Amy. I'm your pilot today.
Thank you.
Alright, now you have chosen the video flight, so you can see yourselves on the camera at the front there.
Yes.
And yeah, if you have any questions during the flight, please don't hesitate to ask, okay?
Okay. No questions. So we are ready to enjoy.
We'll get going, shall we?
Yes, shall we? Yes, we can. हमारी फ्लाइट स्टार्ट हो रही है. इसमें वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, यानी सामने यस, इट हैज लिफ्टेड. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ चार कैमरे लगे हुए हैं. तीन लगे हुए हैं बाहर, एक अंदर कैमरा लगा हुआ है. तो ये आपको हमारी फ्लाइट, एक्चुअल फ्लाइट वर्चुअल रियलिटी में देखी जाएगी. सो वी आर ऑन द वे टू 12 अपोस्टल्स. इट्स अ नेचुरल फिनोमिनन. आप देख सकते हो मैं वीडियो शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे समुद्र है. इट्स 7 to 8 minutes फ्लाइट. हेलो या ओह वाओ.
Okay, so you'll see the apostles down here on your left-hand side.
I can see.
And there's some out here on the right, so just as we cross the coast.
Fantastic. This is an experience you can have only if you come to Melbourne. It's a lifetime experience. We have been filming live. There are 4 cameras, as I told you. Now we are enjoying the flight. It's a small 3-seater helicopter. Ashwin bhai and girish bhai is with me.
Hi guys, we are enjoying it big time.
मजा आ रहा है
यार.
ऐसा तो लाइफ में
चारों तरफ समुद्र ही समुद्र है और दुनिया की बेहतरीन जगह 12 अपलर्ट्स पे है.
Okay, so guys, over here we have the Lockhart Gorge. Now this is a very, very famous section of our coastline.
Okay.
It's named after the shipwreck of the Lockhart.
Okay.
Back in 1878, the ship ran into Muttonbird Island here and sank with only 2 survivors of 54 passengers and crew on board.
Okay.
Those 2 survivors got washed up on the beach that you can see there, where they were able to get out.
We will go again on the same place.
Yeah, we're going to go back again, yep. Now this feature down here is called Baker's Oven.
Okay.
Gets its name from the small archway that's eroded through the centre, making it resemble an old style baker's oven.
Yeah, we are enjoying. गिरीश भाई हाथ करो ना.
अरे यार डर लग रहा था. ऐसा टेढ़ा कर रहा है.
एकदम कैमरे का हाथ हटाओ.
Yes.
कैमरा नीचे करो, मेरा फोटो नहीं आ रहा. आहा, now it's superb.
पूरा का पूरा टेढ़ा हो गया भगवान.
अश्विन भाई आपकी मेहनत रंग लाई.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
है कि नहीं?
और आज हम पहली बार हेलीकॉप्टर की यात्रा कर रहे हैं और चारों तरफ पानी और उसमें भी दुनिया की बेहतरीन जगह 12 अपलर्ट्स. देखिए हेलीकॉप्टर से एक बेहतरीन सीन ले रहे हैं हम. वाओ.
और अश्विन भाई क्या सोच रहे हो?
Okay, so guys, the apostles start from here and they go all the way down to the lookout.
Yes. Hello. We are come from India, you know?
Have you?
Yeah.
How long are you in Australia for?
5 days. Today we are leaving. We are 4,200 people came from India.
Ah, is that for the AMWAY conference?
Yeah.
you know.
So you know everything. You are staying in Melbourne?
Are you? Yeah? You enjoying it?
Yes, definitely.
How did you like Sovereign Hill?
Definitely was fantastic. Yesterday we were there.
Yeah? What about the penguins?
Penguins will birds are moving here and there. Good, yeah.
And we had a great dinner in MCG.
Ah, MCG. Yes, you had dinner there, didn't you?
Yeah, actually MCG was booked for 7 hours. So we played cricket with Adam Gilchrist. Yes. So wow.
वाओ, ये जो सीन है लाइव का कैमरा हेलीकॉप्टर ऐसा टेढ़ा हो रहा है क्या? हाँ. The hill full.
ये कोई उड़ने वाला गाना या गाओ ना, तो याद आ रहा है?
नहीं, गाना तो याद नहीं आ रहा.
गाना याद नहीं आ रहा है सरकार.
अभी तो सर आनंद ही आनंद आ रहा है.
आनंद है, गाने का आनंद जो अलग है, यहाँ से आनंद अलग है.
वाओ.
वाह, तेरा पीछा ना हम छोड़ेंगे सोनिए, पीछा ना. धर्मेंद्र और हेमा मालिनी का था, पता है, हेलीकॉप्टर में गाना. छोड़ेंगे जुगनू का था ये गाना, जुगनू का. तेरा पीछा ना हम छोड़ेंगे. आगे 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 आगे. लग रहा है हम लोग पहुंच रहे हैं वापस at the same place. Oh. I think petrol.
Yes.
Yeah, petrol. Good.
लगता fuel भरेंगे.
Ah, petrol. So finally we are landed. Oh. Good. Can I?
Yes, you can take your seatbelts and headsets off now, guys. Thank you very much.
So we have enjoyed. Nice with you.
Pleasure.
Good.
I'll just
Thank
flick
you.
it into the internal cam here.
Yes.
So we can say goodbye. So thanks very much, guys.
Goodbye.
Hope you enjoyed your stay.
Yes,
So,
definitely.
gentlemen, just wait here.
Yes.
Someone will come and get the door. Okay? So you can take your headsets off. Thank you. Pop it up here.